Soon as we give you the update. I would call it say we're homeless for the time now. So we just come over the house to see what we can see from the house. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the zinc lift up from that direction, and all the waters and everything come into this part of the living room, and the solitex and everything is come down. Our house is looking at the moment. Yeah, you can drop down anytime now. Huh?
Jessa? That's not a good idea.
This is the current bathroom now. So yeah, because I put this video out there to show our current situation that we are living now after the hurricane. I don't know if we any donation or any help, but anything, no matter how small it be, will help us. And same thing for this bedroom as well. It's about to collapse now because the water gone under the solitex, as you can see guys. See there? You can see the water dropping from the roof. And the furniture now, the rain beat off the color off of it. And the beds are also wet. And this is one of the room. The ceiling is going to come down anytime now, so we cannot stay in this house. It's not livable anymore. And look at the floor. As I'm speaking to you now, water is still dropping from the roof at the moment. It's wet. Every crease and corner of this is wet. Use a few stones to hold on back that side where we're going to store the furniture, because we don't have anywhere else to put them right now. So we are trying to get a safe spot in the house to put the furniture there. And as me I talk to you guys, the rain start pouring down, and the house is already have a lot of water in there, so it really can't take any more water in the house right now. Here you have a few pieces of you have some of the zinc that are scattered all over the yard. You have piece over here. Alright guys, you can see from this direction the breeze come from. Right now it's because I can't go any higher for you to show you on top of the roof at the moment now. But there's no zinc left on this side of the roof, only the board. And see there? See there guys? In the middle of the house, zinc them tear off of it. At the mercy of God, I hold up this place right now. Everywhere is wet in this house. One of the bed base that we have to put outside, it's every part of it is wet, and the foot is falling apart. So look at this now. The rain pouring down on the house, and water literally I dropped through the roof right now. Just putting this video out there. I don't know if anybody will help us with our house, no matter how small it be, but we just want to get it out there. So family of 4 guys, that is our living situation at the moment, so we just have to work with it. Hopefully we get some help, as right now we don't know where to start from. Don't know where to start from. It's not nice being in this situation, because you have to consider that you have kids, so you want them to be as comfortable as possible, and right now this house is not comfortable for anybody to sleep in. As you can see, the current situation that I show you is not suitable. So whoever want to help or anything, you can call me at 386-7564. I really appreciate if I could get the help